baba uDokotela Voices bojamba mfana umhlaja Karen Mzondo mangisangisela futhi ngiqonisa. Lana ngifuna ukunika i-topic ethi TNT. TNT. It is tactical narcotic testing. I need to talk about that. Why we don't have something like that in South Africa if we do not. Uyazi ezinye izinto abantu bangishayela iqiniso engilikhulume bathi uyazodlala ngeqiniso. Kanti wena babudodelo njani? Njengamanje into engizoyisho for the fact that when you yenze the teaching 3 years ago, your family is not happy about that. Your family is not happy. Ngiyakutshela. Ukufunda kwakho kuwenze ukuthi even uphathini wakho umkhwena wakho njobe eshaya ama truck eqonya ephendula amafoni phambi kwakho una 4 years wayenza isociology una 4 years wayenza sociology nana manje usebenza he's breaking ukuthi ayikho into ayifundela hleli la ekhaya zokade ifoni yami manje abantu abaningi for ukufunda kwakho they hate you for that wenza ijournalism kuthiwa umbheke nje ufana kaXaba kasebenzi wethu ufundelana ku graduation wakho bangaka abantu basemndenini abafikayo bangaki kubazala bakho abafikayo usekupostiwe izithobe kuma socials bangaka abazali bakho abacommentayo ukuthi hayibo mzala nawe sesibona nje hayibo asizwanga akwenzekanga lokho. Your academic has caused foes, has caused enemies. Believe you me, uma ususebenza bathi phela kasiphe imali angithi usiyasebenza. Awusiphe imali phela usiyasebenza. Hayi ngoba becela imali back insult bayazi ukuthi akekho umuntu ofedile uhambe ethola imali. Bayakwazi lokho. Ezinye izinto ngifuna ukuthi uzazi ngoba wena zikuphethe kambi and ufuna lezo zingakuphathi kambi. Zimvuzo yokufunda. Ukufunda kwakho you creating cracks ku relationship obukuyona. You creating cracks. You're literally creating cracks. Ezinye izinto ilezi ezenza ukuthi abantu abaningi bagcine bekike lokusonta. Ngoba kunezinto wena usuzi understand ngoba wenze itheology uphuma eBible school ayikho lento eBible school lento enziwayo la kuleli sonto. Ayikho iBible school yamafutha. Ayikho iBible school ye Hollywood. Ayikho iBible school ye Saudi. Usuyayazi lento and uyayiquestion manje because uya graduate with theology.